Coding is by far the most important skill you need to master in your lifetime, and coding is the best route to financial success. And in today's video, I'll be justifying this claim with 3 reasons on why coding is a great investment that will help you build a better and successful future. Let us start with the first reason, which is job opportunities. Learning how to code opens for you multiple and rewarding career paths. And by the way, I want to say that learning how to code isn't expensive. You don't need to go to school or university or even boot camps. You can start with a simple Google search. Really, there's a lot of resources out there that teaches code for free, like YouTube, or websites like freecodecamp.org, the best website you can find to learn how to code. You also have Codecademy, W3 Schools, the Odin Project, and much more. By the way, I made a complete video about this, so link will be in the description. Learning how to code enables you to become a software engineer, a data scientist, a web developer, a cybersecurity specialist, and a machine learning engineer. All of these positions are in high demand and companies are hiring these types of developers, and the only way you can become one of them is to start coding. And these developers earn 6 figures a year, with salaries starting with $120,000 to maybe $500,000. This all depends on which company you're working for and how much effort you put in order to learn programming. If you take it seriously, you might be able to land a job at a big tech company like Google or Microsoft. Everything mentioned earlier won't happen unless you decide to put in the work, because it is hard. It is true that you can find a lot of work out there, but it is a hard skill. And only your commitment and patience will allow you to keep moving forward. So if you decide to start programming, take in consideration that it is a hard skill, but no matter what, you'll get through it because it is a beautiful and rewarding skill. The second reason is problem solving. It is not a technical skill, but it is important to master, and it will be a great factor for you as a programmer. Learning how to code is one of these skills that can help you develop analytical and problem solving abilities which you can leverage in your work and in your life. Basically, in your early stages of learning how to code, you're introduced to new concepts, or you're introducing your brain to new concepts, just like learning a new mathematical equation. Your brain is using its power to understand this equation. Same goes with programming. And because it is a new topic for you, your brain is working hard to understand these concepts. Also, as you get more experience in programming, learning how to think and solve a certain problem is by far more important than writing code. Because before writing code, you need a perfect plan that can guide you in your development phase. You need to have a clear vision on how you need to build this website or system or application. You need a perfect plan. You need to think of every possible solution that is efficient in terms of obtaining a well-built program that doesn't take much resources. All of this requires you to use the processing power of your brain, and by doing multiple projects, they are considered as an exercise for your brain and a way to help you think better. I made this video about how to think like a programmer, so make sure you check it out in the description. So the skill of problem solving helps you in different aspects of life, like making logical decisions. Also, problem solving helps you tackle any obstacle, like creating your own business and starting your entrepreneurial journey. And that introduces us to the third reason. Learning how to code enables individuals to create and innovate, because we live in the digital age and the demand of newer and better technology is very high. So the market is in need of newer digital products. You, as a programmer, is able to build outstanding digital products using your programming skills. What you can do is start your own business. You can start a software company that aims to build mobile applications to solve specific needs, or you can create websites for companies that are in need of an online presence. Look, if you don't want to start a company right away and you want to take it slow, there's no problem with that. You can start any type of business with your coding skills, and it can by not be a tech startup. What you can do is start a social media business, teaching people about programming, like starting your own YouTube channel, or TikTok or Instagram page, and deliver content that people will find interesting, and hopefully that will allow you to grow as a content creator. You can become a freelancer. If you have a skill like web development, which by the way is a very high demand skill because every business is looking to create their own website, so they are in need of web developers. This opportunity allows you to start freelancing and find businesses that are in need of your service. You can go on freelancing websites like Fiverr and Upwork to be able to find potential clients. Also, being a developer freelancer allows you to build digital products on your own, I'm not talking about starting your own software company, but what you can do is start your own projects. Maybe you are a skilled app developer. You can start your own app development project and build an app that can solve a specific problem. How you can make money out of it? Well, through in-app advertisement, monthly subscription, or put the app for sale on the App Store. Honestly, I can't find any word to help me emphasize on how much coding can be the best financial investment you can make today and right now. If you are someone who is looking for a better job or a better financial life, coding can offer it for you. The only thing you need to do is to start right now and don't hesitate. I can give you a roadmap on how to get started with this video right here, so click on it and I hope to see you in this video.